What's up, guys? If you've been looking for a fast track guide to getting your Binance account up and running without all the fluff, today I'm going to show you the most streamlined way to join Binance, which is globally recognized as the top exchange for a reason. Let's jump straight into the sign up process. To start, go ahead and click the link I've pinned in the description or the comment section right below this video. That's your shortcut to the official Binance sign up screen. Now, here's a quick tip. By using that specific link, you're actually going to unlock a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package as soon as you get started. It's a massive advantage that most people miss out on. Once you're on the page, let's get that account created. Again, just click the link below the video. You can sign up using either your email or your mobile phone, whichever is more convenient for you. Simply enter the email you want to use, check the terms and conditions agreement at the bottom, and click continue. Next, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email or phone you just provided. Grab that code, type it in, click continue, and then you'll need to set up a password. Remember, it has to be at least 8 characters long and include one number and one uppercase letter to keep your funds safe. And just like that, you're in. If an inviter code screen pops up, just make sure the code is filled in and finish the sign up. Now that your account is live, we need to handle the KYC identity verification. This is a mandatory step, and you actually must complete it to be able to deposit, withdraw, or do any trading on the platform. Since this part includes a facial scan, it's much faster to just continue the process on your mobile phone. Go ahead and install and launch the Binance app. If you log in with your new account, the app will usually take you straight to the verification screen. First, confirm your nationality and then choose an ID card to proceed. Whether you choose a national ID, driver's license, or passport, it usually gets processed within 5 minutes. Honestly, just use the most convenient one you have on hand right now. Select Take Pictures and click Continue. Take a clear photo of the front and the back of your ID, making sure it fits perfectly within the camera frame. After that, just fit your face into the oval frame and follow the instructions. Once you finish that facial scan, just confirm your personal info, like your name, birth date, and address, then click Continue. From there, select your occupation, click Continue, and finally pick your industry and hit Continue one last time. The review generally takes about 5 minutes, and you can verify that your KYC is complete on your profile screen. Next up, let's get your security locked down with two-factor authentication, or 2FA. For this part, let's head back over to your PC screen. In the left-hand menu, click on Security under the Account section, and then click Manage right next to the Authenticator app option. When you click Enable Authenticator app, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone just to verify it's you. Enter that code and a QR code window will appear. Leave that screen exactly as it is for a moment, and let's go to your phone to download the Google Authenticator app. Once the installation is finished, open the app, tap Get Started, and for the best security, I recommend clicking Use without signing in. Then just tap Add a Code and select Scan a QR code. Point your phone at your PC to scan that code, and a 6-digit OTP for Binance will be generated instantly. Now go back to Binance on your computer, click Next, enter that 6-digit numeric code from the app, and hit Submit. Perfect, your Google OTP is now officially activated, and that is it. You are officially verified, secured, and ready to explore everything the world's biggest exchange has to offer.